guys, welcome back. My name is Stephanie and this is SMB Designs, and today I wanted to show you something I won. I won a drawing from Joanie with Not So Fast Life, and I wanted to open it with everybody. She does a drawing each month for the people who have sent her any type of Happy Mail. So that's pretty cool. I love that idea. I'm not sure how to open this without cutting anything, so I'm just going to be gentle. Gentle is a good idea, it looks like. This little package is so full. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. What is this? Glitter, for sure. This cute little Valentine's bag. Oh, it's a box. Joanie, did you make this box? You're going to have to send me how to do it. I love it. Oh, it's full of goodies. Oh my goodness. Wow. She has been a busy lady. What she does, she sets a box to the side, and as she does any little project she wants to do through the month, then she just tosses them into the box, and whatever's in there at the end of the month, that's what the person that wins gets. These are so cute, little tiny, tiny hearts. Girl, my fingers could not do all that. Not at all. Oh, thank you for supporting my creativity, she says on a tag. Oh my goodness, look at your little hot dog. Too cute. It's dimensional. It's got that puffy tape under it. That's cute. I like him. I love dogs. If y'all didn't know, I absolutely love dogs. Cats, not so much. This box is too dang cute though. I do need to know how you made this. I love the glitter. Just glitter, glitter. Oh, we have some shamrocks, I think. Look at these. 3 shamrocks. Those are so cool. You're so smart, Joanie. I don't know how you do all this stuff. My hands just don't work together to do it. Very cute. Very cute. Oh, I got a cookout bag. Oh, it's full of all kind of goodies. Oh my goodness, it's a little peace sign hand. I think that's what that is. Or is it a rabbit? No, it's peace sign because there's the other fingers. Isn't that too cute? Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh, she made an owl. That's pretty. I love that. I love googly eyes. I don't know why I don't use them all the time, but I love googly eyes. That's probably why I don't use them all the time, because I'd have them on everything. Oh, here's another peace sign. So cute. Oh, it's a heart paper clip. Very nice. You must fold these yourself to get it to do this, because I've never seen them like this. It amazes me that you can crochet and wrap around something so small. That's beautiful. Great work. Ah, there's me another peace sign hand. Those are too fun. Oh, she cut out some stuff for me. All kind of little tags and little swirls. That swirl is begging for some glitter on it. Now and always, it says. That's cute. I like that. Anniversary. Very cool. Little bitty baby tag. Teeny tiny. So tiny. I love this. She cut these out of like packaging, something that she had in packaging. But it's so much sturdier than regular paper, but it's not thick like a chipboard or a cardstock. It's really nice. So very special to me. Oh, I like that. And this is my other owl. Isn't it so cute? I love it. It's so tiny, such tiny work. I'm just amazed. I don't know how on earth you get that done. Oh, I got stuff falling out of this bag. Oh, it's every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. Oh, that's sweet. It's a playing card. It's an ATC card from Joanie. Oh, it looks like she used pattern paper on the back. I love pattern paper. The color of it is so pretty. That's so cute. I'm putting it in my stash with my ATC cards. If anyone has a good way of storing ATC cards, let me know. I'm looking for something. Oh, it's got a dangly heart. Cute. I like that color. Oh, look, she made me some lips. I love it. Lips are my favorite attribute on a person. And then next would be eyes. So cute. A multicolored heart. Very nice. This bag still has stuff in it. It was just falling out. Wow. Look, there's still one in there. That's a cool bag, though. Hoagie submarine grinder. Oh, it's bows. These are so cute. I cannot make bows to save my life, but it looks like she uses a little bitty piece of wire to pull them together. That would help you to make it where it wasn't all lopsided. That's cute. Pink, I love pink. Oh, a ruffly one. Very ruffly. Another ruffly one, different colorway. So cool. A little bit smaller one. And a bigger one of that same smaller one. Another little small one. And it's sweet. I love that hot pink. And then we have some hearts. That heart's made with a lot thinner yarn. It's teeny. Can y'all see that? It is teeny tiny. Like ultra thin. Wow. This one is too. It just amazes me that you can do this. I know I've said that a million times, but it does. Oh, I love the way that feels. That feels amazing. And then a big heart. Very nice. I will be set for Valentine's Day next year. For sure. Oh, she sent me something wrapped up in this soft thing. Look, she pinned it with a bulb pin with 2 shamrocks and another set of lips. So cute. I love them. Them lips for sure. It's a bright bulb pin. It's cute. Oh, look at this lace she wrapped it with. It's a crocheted lace. Did you crochet this lace? I bet you did. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's going in my next journal. Has to. Just has to. Okay. Oh, it's another one of these. My oldest daughter took my last one you sent me. She loved it. It's so pretty. She'll love this one too with all the roses and pink. Look at that. I love the multicolor. That's fun. Oh, it's a soft version in a pink of that heart. It's interesting how much that fills in together, and you almost can't see where the stitches are unless you move it. Neat. Now them is some lips. Look at them jumbo lips. So big. I'm not sure that I know what this one is. So Joanie, you will have to tell me what this one is. On one hand, I think it was a heart, but then I think, no, it looks more like a strawberry. I'm not sure. You will have to explain this one to me. It's soft and it's pretty. Ah, look at them lips. I'm going to be sealing y'all's packages with lips. Haha. Oh, look how cool that is. Jen is going to be wanting this. Man, it sparkles and it's a butterfly. It's so pretty. I love that. I can't believe you did that. Well, yes, I can because you made my dragon gloves and they're awesome. So I can believe you did it. I just don't know how you do that. Another one here. It's a big pretty one. I wonder if you can use these like as hot pads, like when you're putting your pans out. They're getting to be a good size for that. It's pretty. Oh, look at that one. It's so delicate. It's just beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to use that one. And then there's this one. And I really think this would be an awesome hot pad. It's so cute with all its pink limbs and stuff. And then here is the scarf she sent me. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, I can see my daughter still on this one again too. She likes to wear them on her hair. Bill Blass. Interesting. Alright guys, well that is what I won from Miss Joanie over at Not So Fast Life. If you haven't ever entered into her drawings, first of all, subscribe and definitely send her some Happy Mail. She makes amazing stuff and you have a chance to win all of these goodies each month. So no matter how many are in the drawing, she draws from that. So if there's one, you win by default. If there's two, she'll draw between the two. So she's really a sweetheart and she is so fun to watch. So if you haven't checked by there, I'll put her link in the description box below for you. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you, Joanie. Thanks so much. I love it. Bye.